Yo, what's good? What's good, team? I hope y'all having a good time. It's been a while since I dropped my last video, and yeah, just want to let you know what was going on the last 2 weeks. Cause I had a pretty bad trading week 2 weeks ago, and then I didn't want to trade last week. Like I was making stupid beginner mistakes. Like greed was taking over control of me. Like I was too greedy. I was forcing it. I was on 7.4 million and I wanted to get to number 8, I wanted to get to 8 million, and then I was I was taking some good trades that I've lost, and that was alright, but uh, I was losing too much in the range. Like I was trading buy, sell, and just fucked it up. I think it was around in this area. Yeah, gold just fucked me up for real. Like I was dropping down from 7.4 million to 5.6, so I lost 1.8 million. And now the worst thing that happened to me was on Thursday, I think. Thursday or Friday. I was I was in a good buy position, loaded up pretty nice. Trade was running at 1.3 million. Like the trade was really really good in profit, but my target was at 2 million. I wanted to break a new record. I was aiming for the target. Like I wanted to make 2 million with this trade. If I would have done this, I would have been on 7.6 million, because I've taken a lot of losses on the road. I mean, taking some losses with 2% risk, like 10 losses on a 1 minute chart, 5 minute chart. Sometimes that happens, especially when you're in a range and you get emotional. Like you lose your buy position and you think, okay, break of structure, boom, you trade sell. Market snap back up, boom, stop you out again, you go buy. Market goes down. Like I was really doing the wrong thing. I was trading like an idiot. Lost some, but then I had a good trade running and I was not securing the bag. Like the trade was on 1.3 million, and I was like, okay, let's move the stop to break even. It either hits the take profit at 2 million, or I'm gonna go out with zero. You know, instead of moving the stop with the structure and get stopped out at around 800, 900 grand. You know, damn, I felt so bad after I lost the trade. Like I've not lost it. Like I was break even at that trade, but I could have made some money on that. And I was like, damn, after that, I was so depressed and angry about myself that I couldn't trade last week. I needed some time off the charts, thinking about what I've done, because I felt so stupid. I mean, I know how to trade, but sometimes greed takes over me, and then I have to face some bigger drawdowns, and oh damn, it's a roller coaster ride. And yeah, I was thinking about what was wrong, and the thing was, I was too focused on the smaller time frame. I was not taking the bigger time frame. I was not planning my trades good enough, from the bigger time frame, from the bird's eye perspective, and then breaking it down to the lower time frame to find a good entry. No, I was just buying and selling like a stupid idiot, man. So yeah, I was going down from 7.4 to 5.6, and I've not secured the bag on that one good trade. So yeah, I have to start again, like third time in a row. Had to get back on my feet, do it again. I really want to finish this year with 8 million, something like that, and then make a nice withdrawal around Christmas. That would be great. That's a goal. And Yeah, another stupid thing that happened to me last month was like three of my cars are at the mechanic because I blew up the engine. I have a Jeep Wrangler with an LS2 engine around 400 horsepower. I was blowing up the transmission. Then I have another old car, Chevrolet Impala convertible SS from '63. I was driving it and then I blew up the cooler. I don't know, maybe a sensor or whatever is not working. And so yeah, this car is at the mechanic as well. Then another car, the Cadillac Coupe de Ville from 1970s, has a problem with cooler as well. So two cars are overheating. One car was too fast for the transmission, blew up a third and fourth clutch. So yeah, three cars and a mechanic. Lost a lot of big chunk of money because I was doing stupid trading, beginner ass trading. Man, I felt like a stupid fuck for real. But yeah, have to face it, get back strong, as always.